A car cleaning gel is extremely convenient for removing dust and debris from areas where your hands or a dusting cloth cannot reach, but with so many alternatives on the market, it may be tough to find the right gel for your needs. So in this video we will discuss 5 best cleaning gel for car. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel. ColorCoral is an excellent representation of what a car cleaning gel should do. It offers an eco-friendly way of cleaning the interior of a car without leaving behind a sticky residue on the surface. The lemon-scented car cleaning gel will surely make your car smell pleasant when you are done cleaning. The multifunctional car cleaning gel can even be used on keyboards, calculators, vents, air conditioners, television, and other appliances. ColorCoral also offers a money-back guarantee in case of issues with the product. Its non-sticky formula and pleasant smell make this car cleaning gel the best overall on our list. Pros: high quality and fragrant. Non-sticky and disposable. Can be used repeatedly. Good company service. Cons: may melt in the heat. Number 2. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Second on our list is the car cleaning gel from PULIDIKI. This eco-friendly gel is very effective at picking up dust, debris, and soot from narrow gaps. This reusable car cleaning gel is packaged in a box to ensure that it remains fresh and ready to use whenever you need it. It is perfect for cleaning air vents, steering wheels, console panels, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Not only that, but this cleaning gel may also be used to clean keyboards, calculators, and different types of equipment. Pros: environmentally safe and easy to use. Can be used for a variety of purposes. The blue color makes the gel seem fresh. Lightly scented. Cons: only available in one color. Cannot be near water. Number 3. FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gel. This FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gel is highly versatile and can clean a range of surfaces. It is perfect for cleaning any nook and cranny of your automobile. This biodegradable gel is made of environmentally friendly ingredients such as natural vegetable gum and glycerol. The car cleaning gel also gives off a pleasant scent when using it. Moreover, FiveJoy makes sure this gel does not stick to your hands so that it is not a nuisance to handle. This gel is reusable and can clean any surface or appliance such as laptop keyboard, printer, game console, TV remote, speaker grills, fan grills, and vents. With 4 different colors to choose from, this car cleaning gel offers the widest variety on this list. Pros: available in 4 different colors. Safe from chemicals. Easy to store and carry. Cons: the gel will dissolve in water. Number 4. TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. The TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel is built with high-tech cleaning material that effectively picks up dust, debris, hair, and crumbs from any creak or crevice. With only a slight push, this car cleaning gel can sink into any tight space that conventional cleaners cannot physically reach. You can also keep reusing this gel until its color turns completely black. Available in a variety of scents, this car cleaning gel will not only clean surfaces but also leave behind a pleasant smell when you are done. For your convenience, this gel is designed to ensure it does not stick to your hand. This car cleaning gel can also be used on appliances at your home and workplace. Pros: high-tech cleaning technology. Easy to use and store. Can clean your office and house too. Cons: loses shape in hotter temperatures. The gel cannot be cleaned with water. Number 5. KR4 Cleaner Car Cleaning Gel. The final item on our list is KR4 KLEANER's Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is perfect for those looking for a more economical option to clean their car's interior. It can perfectly clean any hard-to-reach gaps, such as the car air conditioning vents, gear, and dashboard. It is also capable of cleaning any pet hair that may be stuck in a corner of your car. The gel is also specially designed to not stick to your hand. Adding to its experience, the car cleaning gel has been scented with a light fragrance to keep your car smelling fresh. The reusable car cleaning gel can also be used on digital products, such as personal computers, keyboards, digital cameras, and laptops. Pros: light fragrance and not sticky. It can be used to pick pet hair. Economical and can be stored easily. Cons: can lose its shape. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.